Russians, you owned me. I just saved your ozone warehouse. I pressed pause, you see? Just before the impact. Okay, let's play. Yeah, today is the ozone day. -3 ozone warehouses in Russia. This one in Dagestan, you see? It's gone. It's on fire. More kabooms are happening straight from the place. I think Ukraine launched like dozens of the drones today to this direction. Yeah. Several of the fire regions, as you might say, 1, 2, 3 at least, drones hit the perimeter of the warehouse. This one is quite big. Yep. Yep. Come on, film the drone. Okay, they filmed the fire. Yeah, probably it's the biggest ozone warehouse they have lost, and it's the best present for Ukrainian independence to harm the enemy economy, enemy who is the direct threat for Ukrainian independence. Yeah, this one is definitely big. And those are the first strikes. You might see that the personnel was evacuated. They start to run around, and it's not the best place to stay at the parking spot, because there were the cases then the Ukrainian drones hit the cars at the parking areas, because Russians might shut down those drones flying. So this guy with the rifle and many more, they're trying to shut down the drones, but it's too late, you see. Alright, now I understand that those people in Dagestan, they were preparing for this moment for all their life. That's why they were shooting into the air at every sort of the wedding. You see? That's what they were trained for, but they failed. They should have sent this guy, Adam Kadyrov. Let's just look. He's a freaking air defenser. Or his father, just look. He's ready to shut down all of the drones. Yeah, on Cybertruck. Yeah, by the way, he claimed that he got this car directly from Elon Musk. My friends, just a quick reminder, press your like to this video just right now and subscribe to the channel. It's very, very, very important. Have you done it? Alright, let's continue with the video. Yeah, fantastic day for Russians, and guys, 2 ozone logistics centers were hit and 1 SMM-K logistic center. So totally 3 warehouses, and 2 of them are ozones. First one in Krasnodarsky Krai, it is 9,000 square meters. Well, this one is not really big, but anyways. The next one in Adygea, NM town, ozone logistics center, the area 91,200 square meters, was targeted and destroyed. And finally, the one that you might see on your screens, this is Tube town of Dagestan, ozone logistics, the biggest one for the last night, 130,000 square meters. Was flat-lined, zeroed, cancelled by the drones. Russian Ducky Lips girl says that there were the rumors that Ukraine will not touch ozone. The rumors were about some of the business connections between the Ukrainian elite and ozone company. But no, it seems like it was fake news, and ozone is struggling. It is chasing wildberries very fast. The only difference that still entrepreneurs may get their goods out from ozone warehouses. That's the plus for ozone, because wildberries, after they lost 2 of the warehouses, they blocked all of the goods in their storages. It's illegal, but they did it, and there is no punishment for them because they are affiliated with Kremlin directly. I mean, wildberries. And this one was in Adygea, the smaller ozone, but it also went on fire. There were lots of the photos as well, one of those you might see on the screens. And yeah, this is the smallest one. It's not ozone, belongs to the third company, but it's on fire in Krasnodar itself. This one is the smallest from all of the three, just 9,000 square meters. But still, it's the warehouse and it was visited, yeah? From Krasnodar.
Блять, летит нахуй, ты чё? Я нахуй мурашка, ебануться. Он пролетел просто рядом с домом.
Does he also use a filler for the lips? Come on, Russians, where are the traditional values?
Я не хочу здесь вообще.
What? Special military operation. Be happy. What this guy tries to tell us? What is this? Just one? You need more? You need two? Actually, three today. Three, not one. Three. And here's the ozone being aboard. Totally 5 of the warehouses were hit and 3 completely burned down. 2 severely damaged, including yesterday the strike on Orenburg, the biggest warehouse in ozone. Well, what can I say? Russians should expect more. I wonder if Wildberries and ozone companies survive it. I don't think so. Plus, Ukrainian drones has visited the military airfield in Jankoy. This is the occupied Crimea. The firm satellites confirmed the fire in local ammunition storage, which is a little bit further away from the airfield itself. Okay, congratulations video from Zelensky with Independence Day. Well, you know my attitude towards Zelensky. I would like him and the Ukrainian government in general to speak with people about the real stuff. About the corruption in the energy sector, about the corruption in dynasty, where Vova name is also out there and there is only one Vova, plus a couple of more big corruption scandals that uncovered the participation of the high-rank officials of the President's Office of Ukraine. Well, yesterday Zelensky said that NABU, National Anti-Corruption Bureau, has nothing against me. Yes, because you have immunity and even investigations are not possible to do against active president of Ukraine. That's the silly legislation we have, unfortunately, and even NABU cannot do it. So after the next president is elected, I hope someday in the future, guess you'll see lots of the stuff. So don't be surprised. So yeah, Independence Day, it's great, it's awesome. Once again, it shows that Ukraine is out there, Ukraine continue to fight, but it is about our soldiers. It's about Ukrainian people in general who are fighting against the biggest enemy, Russia, plus internal enemy with those protests that happened 1 year ago with the placards. Yeah, internal enemy is basically the corruption in Ukraine. Guys, I'm telling you the things as they are. Yeah, I know that you might like Zelensky, but I don't. Well guys, that's it for this video. Stand by for more video updates today, and also please support my job if you can, of course, via Patreon. The link for it is in the video description right below, or join YouTube membership by pressing button join. Guys, thank you so much. You are making my job possible and this content, of course. And don't forget to press like to this video, subscribe to the channel. You're just awesome, amazing. I wish you all a peaceful sky wherever you are and have a great time.